Jay here with FCP Euro, and today I'm going to show you how to prevent your Volvo from taking a dump. And what I mean by that is leak oil everywhere. Hey YouTube, this is Jay from FCP Euro, and this is another really quick product review. So if you have a P2 chassis Volvo, one of the common things in the 5-cylinder and 6-cylinder models is that the breather box clogs up. If you don't know about it, you should probably check your car right now. This is a breather box from one of our old project cars. As you can see, it's really clogged up at the bottom. So basically, this bolts to the block. There's a channel that goes from the breather box into the block and then the block down to the oil pan. Commonly people do is they replace the breather box and they still have high crankcase pressures. Stage 2 to that, if you still had high crankcase pressures, would be to drop the oil pan. And the reason why is there's this channel that's inside the oil pan. It gets really clogged up and it kind of goes down and takes a loop back up. You could take it off, you could clean it, but 99% of the time you're not going to clean 100% and it's just going to loosen up a lot of the carbon deposits. So when you put it back together, everything's going to be floating around inside your engine, which is not a good thing for your oil pickup. We made this kit as a cost-effective solution. This is an aftermarket oil pan. The kit includes the oil pan, all the gaskets that you're going to need, and the anaerobic sealer. If you go and buy a genuine Volvo oil pan, it's probably going to cost you about $450, $460. This kit is about half that. This has been another really quick product review. Don't forget to hit that like button. Any comments or questions, leave in the box below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Jay here from FCP Euro, and I'm really trying to be funny. Really hard.